Good morning everyone, welcome to another quarantine day in my life. If you are new here, my name is Rosalie. I make videos all about travel, sustainability, mental health, things of that sort. I also have a really big knack for short film that I'm still learning how to tap into, but I'm getting there. So if you want to follow my journey, definitely feel free to. On today's agenda, we don't have a lot, but we have quite a bit. I'm going to be keeping up with friends via FaceTime. We're doing a cute little paint and sip over FaceTime. I have homework to do. I have a lot of content creating ideas that I want to use, and I want to bake. I've been doing a lot of baking in quarantine, and I want to write. I have some homework. It's also National Park Week, fun fact, so all of the national parks are broadcasting their sunsets and sunrises, so I will be tuning into those, and I'm just really excited to bring you along with me. I definitely haven't looked like this every single day of quarantine. This is a lie, but it's been helping me be more productive, so I've been trying to do it more, but I definitely don't do it every day. And these are still my pajamas, which I will be changing out of shortly, so let's do it. You guys, I always close the doors to my room when I'm filming so that Roxy doesn't jump all over me, and she gets so mad. Look. Hi. Hi, I'm sorry, did I stress you out? She's all, open my kennel right now. She loves her kennel. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Don't be stressed, it's okay. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna change, but I just don't really want to right now. This USC shirt that I got years ago, I don't even really remember how I got it. And then these Adidas sweats are what I'm rocking with today. I also have these cute little socks from like probably some online store or something. Also, can we just point out how freaking cute my bathroom is coming along? So yesterday we picked up these candles from Target that smell amazing, and they match the theme of our bathroom so well, so I'm super excited about that. And then, as if this isn't the cutest thing ever, they have matching matches that you strike at the bottom to light them, and they literally match the candle, which I thought was the most cute thing I've ever seen. There's a couple of things we still want to do to this bathroom. I want to get contact paper so this counter matches this as like a marble countertop, but we just haven't done that yet. And then I would show you over there, but this isn't a tour and I need to save that for later. And also, it's really messy. So moving on. So like I said, good morning. It's almost 1 and I'm very, very hungry. I want my coffee. So, hey Google, stop. So I'm gonna make the dalgona coffee that I've been making every day because I've been obsessed with it. That's the whipped coffee. I probably do it wrong, but I really like it. So, you know, let's do it. Put bell peppers in these and then we'll put end result, as you guys have seen time and time before at this point. One thing I have switched though is I'm using vanilla almond milk. We have been using vanilla almond milk, but we get the unsweetened one, and this time I'm using the sweetened one so it actually tastes like it. This isn't normally the brand that we get, but obviously everything's gone. Because I think that the vanilla adds a good flavor to the coffee itself. So that is something to try if you are somebody who likes vanilla as much as I do. My taste test. It's just like better every single day. Oh. Okay, let's see. Stab them. Hopefully it's warm on the inside part. Let's see what this. Oh, you're looking. Alrighty, so I've been doing homework for a little while. I couldn't show you guys all of it because my camera was exporting footage, so I obviously couldn't use it. But I'm just working on some economics stuff, which is super hard. Honestly, I'm taking my first economics class that I've ever taken, and oh, love when I can't get my own password right. Hold on, I need both my hands. Whatever, we're gonna do it like this. Okay. I definitely wasn't prepared for how involved it was going to be. I think I thought like it was just, I don't know. I know that I registered late, and so that kind of limited all of my choices, but I don't think I thought through what exactly I was selecting. I think I was just so focused on getting 16 units. And I did that, but It's definitely challenging. I'm halfway through it though, and I'm really glad that I'm doing it now rather than later. I mean, I think it's definitely better to do your hard classes or before your easier classes. What am I saying? So I'm halfway through. I'll show you guys kind of my process, how I go through it. I'll probably just speed this up and show you as I do this work. It honestly takes me quite a long time to get through it. So I have one more assignment left, and it is called Keynesian Macroeconomics and Economic Instability, a critique of self-regulating economy. Love that for us. Okay, we're all finished. It only took me like about an hour to do all of it, so that was great. I also would like to point out that I am good at other things. I feel like that was super negative, but I was saying before, like I'm great at English, I'm great at science, I can write like an amazing paper in 30 minutes. I just can't. Where there's numbers involved, it takes so much effort from me. It's just kind of how my brain works. It doesn't mean that I don't try, it just means I have to try harder. But yeah, so I have my FaceTime date with my friend Isabel in about 30 minutes, but it's been like a week since her birthday, which is when we were supposed to do this. Okay, we're at the bus stop right now. If you've ever driven through here, you know this is like the only place to stop. And so there's like... Hi guys, we just got back from the store. Tomorrow is Isabel's birthday, and I'm gonna be surprising her because it's quarantine, so she can't do anything for her birthday, which is not ideal. So I'm gonna drop off all this stuff at her house, and I'm planning for us to have a virtual birthday celebration. So I have her packaging, I got the really cute coordinating ones, got her own cupcakes, some little wines because she's turning 21, and this disposable because she really wants one, but also because I'm gonna take film, and then when she develops it, she'll see them and be all surprised. And then these tulips, I figured that this would be a good route to go because it stands on its own, and since I can't physically see her, I'm gonna have to drop it off, so when she opens it, it'll be like standing all pretty. And then these I got because we can paint and sip, because we also have some of these and she loves to paint, and we can do like a virtual date over FaceTime and paint together, and it's like we are kind of doing something for her birthday. So I'm excited about this, and she has absolutely no idea, so I'm looking forward to her reaction. We dropped off the stuff this morning. I'm gonna watch her reaction. She's crying. How cute. Look at how I set it up, you guys. Let me show you. That's what it looked like on her front door. It was really, really cute. It was like raining so hard. I was so worried. It was like 6 in the morning, but I'm happy. Well, here, I'm trying to pour out some water. And we just both kept procrastinating, and I think that that's something that nobody's really talked about is in quarantine. You know, you're obviously available, like you're home all day, but you're not emotionally available. Like there's gonna be days where, yeah, you are just sitting around and you're not doing anything, but like you're not going to respond to anybody, and you're not going to want to talk to anybody. You're not going to pick up the phone calls. So everybody's really different. Like I think it's important that during this time we're all really gentle with each other, and that we understand, you know, what exactly it is that we're all going through, and how it can be so different in so many different ways, and how it can present itself in so many different forms, especially because it's less about the quarantine and more about all of the feelings that it brings up. And yeah, I don't know, during this time I'm just extra thankful to be healthy, especially with the health issues that I do have going on. And I don't know, it's just, this was a rant. I probably won't even put this in the vlog, but you guys, so Daniel's working outside today, and look at her. She like waits by the door for him. Well, now she hears me, but she like waits desperately for him. I swear this girl worships the ground we walk on. I love you so much. It's okay. I grabbed a snack because I am getting hungry, and I'm probably gonna be on that FaceTime call for quite a while. It's not focusing, but it's a Fiber One bar. These are my favorite. It's the coffee cake flavor. I've had these for like years, and they're actually really filling because they're full of fiber, obviously, and not that unhealthy for you. So, win-win. Wanna go see your dad? Let's go see your dad. Hi, Mama. See out there? He's out there. Look, oh, I know. Let's go. Let's go. I know. I know. I know. Come on.
What are you doing?
Oh. Alright guys, I'm all set up for the paint and sip. I just figured I should put on an apron because I'm super messy. I just got paint all over my camera and had to clean it off. So it's probably a better idea for me to be protected. And I'm also taking out some chicken because tonight we're going to be making fettuccine alfredo and some banana bread. So I am making sure that this is defrosting. Oh, that water's hot. I don't want to touch it. But yeah, I'm going to take care of this and then we're going to go. Later. I'm off of FaceTime now. We are going to start making dinner. We're also going to make some banana bread. So right now I'm just prepping the chicken because we are cooking fettuccine alfredo. I'm going to cut this up and then we're going to add in Hershey's Kisses to the banana bread because we know some people do chocolate chips but we don't have any and we need to get rid of these because we don't eat our candy. So we're improvising. All right, I'm cooking the chicken for the fettuccine. Daniel's blending up what we need for the banana bread.
The banana.
We're tag teaming this, and we'll show you the final result.
That's right.
Okay, so in the midst of making our banana bread, hold that thought. We've realized that we don't have a pan to cook the banana bread in as a loaf, so we're gonna make banana bread cupcakes. And that actually works perfectly because we can put one kiss in each thing. So that'll be really good. Are you ready to pour it or you need to mix it still?
Oh, no, I'm ready.
Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, show them what you got. Oh, wait. We gotta spray it.
Oh, yeah, spray that up.
This is just the organic extra virgin olive oils from Trader Joe's. Or I mean, it's your creation. You go ham. What the hell? You getting that all over the tray? Here. This man said, let me just get it all over the tray. Yeah. All right. Okay, so the chicken's over there and it's finished. It's a little brown, but that's okay. We didn't have any fettuccine noodles. I thought we did, so instead we're gonna be using the egg noodles, which I think will be fine. I'm about to mix in the sauce. I really hope one can is enough. You're funny. Oh yeah. Okay, it's literally boiling. It looks so good. I'm about to add in the chicken and the broccoli, and then we have to let it sit for a little bit because the broccoli has to get soft. I have cut a little bit too much, but that's okay. It's good for us, so that's fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, mix all that together. Get it all in there. Now on the baking side of the kitchen, this is what the muffins look like pre-oven. Working on the topping. It's gonna be like that, like cinnamon coffee cakey kind of topping. It's gonna go on top, obviously.
Hey, look at hey.
This smells really good. Okay, so I added in some parsley. This is what it's looking like. I messed up. I probably should have added the broccoli in a lot sooner so it could soften. So I really hope that doesn't mess up everything. But it looks amazing, smells amazing. I wish you guys could just like, oh, look at that.
Scratch you to smell?
No. And the muffins have been glazed. All right. I love how they don't see us talking shit to each other. Okay. In the muffins go. Yeah, it's gonna be 50 minutes, right?
Oh yeah.
Our commentary is so funny, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna eat dinner and then pop those babies out. Okay, they're all done. They smell amazing. I'm gonna put some Parmesan on Daniel's. I don't know if I want any. Actually, I'll take some. Matter of fact, take it all. Oh, so that one's yours? What if I wanted that one?
You said Daniel and then you started right there.
Listen,
and then you said, listen. Midway through or something.
Oh, you want the shit?
Man down.
Just kidding.
He broke her. Hey, get out of here, all of you. This ain't no. Is that our song? That's a Bruce. Hey, come on out of there, Archie. Never. Archie, hurt.
Okay, we're still watching the movie, but I'm gonna start tidying up a little bit so that we can head to bed as soon as the muffins are done. Alright, the muffins are finished. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this. This smells like mini Teddy Graham crackers. Oh my gosh, those look so good. Ooh. Yeah.
Perfect.
They look a little, like, underdone though. Or do you think they're just moist?
Oh, they're moist, baby. I make that moist. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, they smell so good. Good job, baby. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell these right now. They're like amazing. I like can't even believe how good they smell. But we're gonna have a muffin and finish our movie, and I'm gonna take off, oh, I'm not focused. I'm gonna take off this makeup and we're gonna finish our movie. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.